Hello everyone, this is Naushad Shah. Now, today we are going to discuss the topic halogen derivatives. Now, next point of our topic is what nomenclature of halogen derivatives. Now, how can we give the name to such compound which contain alkane and halogen or arenes or halogen. Now, in IUPAC system, the functional group halogens which are attached to the compound that appears as a suffix or prefix. Now we have to consider that prefix. Mostly halogens are used prefix in the word. That means they are used in before the alkane group. So that is called as a prefix, in which alkyl halides are named as a haloalkanes and aryl halides are named as a haloarenes. Now, dear students, some examples are given here. Now, we'll discuss the examples and how to give the names of this compound we have to see. Now, this compound CH3, CH, CH3 and Br. Now, this Br is a halide which attached to 3 carbon atom chain, that is called as a propane. Now, we have to give the number that should be the less number have to be count, that is 1 2 3. If we give from left hand side, the second carbon is containing bromine, and we if we can give from here right hand side, it is coming on second position only. So we can write the name 2 bromo, bromo for bromine, and this 3 carbon chain, that is called as a propane. Understand? Just like this, in next example we are seeing that iodine is attached. Now fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these four elements which are called as a halides. Now whichever carbon atom is attached to iodine or halide, that should be counted as a number 1. 1 2 3. Now if we have to give the name, IUPAC name of this compound, just we have to give 1 iodo, iodo for iodine, 1 iodo, 2 methyl, and 3 carbon chain is called as a propane. Understand? Now like this, third example is given here. CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 Cl. Now this compound contains halide also and double bond is also there. Now CH3CH CH CH2Cl. Now whichever carbon atom is attached to halogen atom is counted as a first, second, third and fourth. Now we can write the name 1 chloro, 1 chloro, 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon atom chain is there. 4 means what? Butane. 1 chloro, but for butane, 2 ene. ENE is used for this double bond, that is for alkene. Now fourth example is given here. Now we are seeing here it is the benzene ring, and at ortho position it is attached Br here. So we can write bromo first, bromo for bromine, bromo benzene. Okay. Now and in another example, if you want to write the name, that is what? 1 4 di bromo benzene. Why it is 1,4-dibromobenzene? Because first bromine is at the first carbon, second, third, and approximately this will come as a 4. 1 comma 4 dibromo, because at the first and fourth carbon bromine is attached. That's why 1 4 1 comma 4 dibromobenzene.